Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Klarna app for iPhone. It's pretty simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. If you're on iPhone, you want to open up the App Store. If you're on Android, you want to open up the Google Play Store. Then you want to go to the bottom where you see the Search tab. On the Search tab, you want to go to the search bar at the top and search for Klarna, like so, and then go ahead and tap on Search. Then you want to find the Klarna app. It should look something like this. Go ahead and tap on where it says Get. Next, you'll need to double click to install, so just double click the power button. Then the app will begin installing and you can see the progress here. Once it completes installing, you can either open the app up from the open button right here, or you can open it up on your homepage by tapping on the Klarna app. And from here, you can go ahead and sign up for a Klarna account, or you can sign into an existing one. But that's how you can download and install the Klarna app on your phone. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.